Install of a product that's designed to fill this little gap here in the fender to keep it from flinging mud off the back tire when you're splashing through the puddles on the trail. All right, so here's the package, how it showed up. Let's open it up. Got your instructions with some fasteners. It's wrapped up nicely. Here they are. We'll tear off this protective film. Beautiful. So here in your package with your fasteners and instructions, looks like the only tool you're going to need is just a Phillips bit. So here's the inserts, and then the fasteners that screw into the inserts, and then your instruction manual. Let's go over to the machine and get these put on. As you can see, my machine is nice and clean. And in my area, we haven't gotten a lot of rain recently, but there's a mud puddle right over there that we're going to go hit. And see how much water actually comes in without the product installed. You can probably see, yep, there is some mud and everything back there, and you can see right through to the rear tire. That rear tire flings mud right up, and it gets the back of your arm and the back of you all dirty. Let's go see what happens when I hit the mud puddle. As you saw with just that little mud puddle, look at all the water and mud that it flings right up into the cab on both sides. So let's get the new mud fenders out here and get them installed on the machine. So to install the driver's side, take your driver's side piece, and then they just provide some push pins. Just get it lined up with the 3 holes. Push your pins in. Now over to the passenger side, it's the same process. The passenger side, there's 4 fasteners, and the 4th one you will have to drill a hole to fit the last one in. So now with the StarknightMT mud flaps installed, as you can see, driver's side, passenger side, we'll look from the inside of the cab. And that hole that's normally behind the seats is nice and filled in. So it should keep us dry when we're splashing through all the mud puddles on the trail. Let's go test it out in the mud. Well, as you just saw, we tested out the new mud flaps from StarknightMT, and I think they did really well. They blocked out a lot of that mud that was going to be splashed up onto my back and my arm. In my opinion, it's a really affordable product. It's something really simple to install that you can do in your driveway with no tools essentially. And it's just a little modification that you can do to keep some of this mud from getting on the back of your seats and on the back of your arm. I'll post the link in the description on where to buy these things.